Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. The Australian share market is expected to open lower today. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% fall. Now, yesterday the market closed 1.28% lower at 6,943. In business news from this morning, TPG Telecom is still in talks with Vocus, although the exclusive due diligence period granted to Vocus in relation to its proposed acquisition of certain of TPG's enterprise, government and wholesale assets and associated fixed infrastructure assets, including the Vision network, has now expired. The consideration of $6.3 billion and the highly provisional indicative EBITDA parameter of around $550 million are subject to change. TPG security holders should be aware that the nature of the transaction involves considerable complexity, which needs time to work through, and there remains no certainty an agreed transaction will eventuate. Genesis Minerals has had a strong start to production and cash flow at the Leonora for the September quarter 2024, the first quarter under Genesis ownership. Gold production of 34,000 ounces for the quarter sits above the recent 120 to 130 KOSPA production rate for Gwalia on a standalone basis. Cash and bullion increased by $14 million over the course of the quarter, despite spending $8 to $10 million on project development at Admiral and Ulysses. The Leonora strategic review is progressing as expected, and the company is on track to deliver its maiden 5-year outlook in March 2024. Genesis has a long life, 300,000 ounces per annum base case margin over ounces production plan. And Mineral Resources has completed the $1.1 billion Senior Unsecured Notes Offering. That's 9.25% senior unsecured notes due 2028 in an offering to people reasonably believed to be qualified institutional buyers. MinRes intends to use the cash proceeds from the offering for general corporate purposes, including capital expenditures. We'll take a short break here, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
Build better relationships, get connected, heard and noticed. We always believe in getting you the best. Kalkine Media's growing platform, Kalkine TV, helps you connect to an inquisitive audience from across the globe. Interact in a trusted environment. Showcase your brand on Kalkine TV in a seamless and effective manner. We connect and curate content as per your business needs. So why wait? Write to us at guestteam@kalkine.com.au.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel Jones. Now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 1.29%. The S&P 500 dropped 1.37%, and the Nasdaq Composite was lower 1.87%. European markets also closed lower. London's FTSE fell 0.54%, Frankfurt lost 1.06%, and Paris closed 1.01% lower. Looking at Asian markets now, Tokyo's Nikkei lost 1.64%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng dropped 2.69%, while China's Shanghai Composite was closed. That's the latest from the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.